Have you heard of the phrase, when someone else's waste is another person's treasure? This is the case for us as material engineers at Colorado School of Mines, where we work with the mine tailings as the waste of the mining industry and plan on converting this to valuable, sustainable construction materials. Mine tailings are the leftover materials after the valuable content have been removed economically from the ore body, and globally we make about 10 to 14 billion tons of mine tailings every year. In our research group, we have developed technologies that allow us to produce construction materials in the form of the bricks, concrete, lightweight aggregate, and ceramics. Through this process, using the pelletizing effect and activator, we promote the release of the aluminum silicate and the cementation of the mine tailings to produce the lightweight aggregate. So this is a sample of the mine tailing that was collected in the raw original form as collected or available at the construction site, and we brought it to the laboratory and we started using this as the predominant precursor material for production of all other construction materials. Here are examples of the types of aggregate that we make in the form of the lightweight aggregate from the mine tailings. These are predominantly made of mine tailings with very small amounts of the activators to essentially utilize the more reactive content in the form of the aluminum silicates that are available in the mine tailings. We also have succeeded in using the lightweight aggregates in production of the concrete. You can see here that the lightweight aggregates from mine tailings are well integrated within the matrix of the concrete, and you can see that the proper bonding of the aggregate with the cement matrix has allowed the sample to achieve fairly high levels of strength. A strength as high as 40 megapascal was achieved with this sample. In our research group, we also have succeeded in producing concrete via a different technique where we don't really have any type of cementitious material used for production of these bricks. So these are 100% made of mine tailings, and we can achieve great things with these samples. They can achieve strength levels as high as 50 megapascal, which would definitely be sufficient for any type of residential or commercial application. They are fireproof and very resistant to sulfate and acid attacks because they no longer have any of the hydration products that we typically see in the structure of concrete.